Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize ExpressVPN on your iPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize ExpressVPN on your iPhone, start by downloading the ExpressVPN app from the App Store. Open the App Store and type ExpressVPN in the search bar. Locate the official ExpressVPN app in the search results and tap on it. Once the app is displayed, tap the Get button to download and install it on your device. After the installation is complete, open the ExpressVPN app by tapping on its icon. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap Sign In to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your registered email and password, then tap Sign In. If you do not have an account, tap on Get Started to create a new one by following the prompts. Once signed in, you may be asked to grant the app permission to use your location. Tap Allow while using app to enable this feature. Next, the app will prompt you to set up a VPN configuration. Tap Allow to proceed. You may see a message informing you that ExpressVPN wants to add VPN configurations. Tap Allow once more. You may be asked to enter your device passcode or use Face ID/Touch ID for verification. After the VPN configuration is set up, you'll return to the ExpressVPN app. Now, you're ready to choose a server location. Tap on the large power button in the center of the screen to connect. Wait a moment while the app connects to the server. Once connected, you will see the power button turn green, indicating that your VPN is active. You are now successfully authorized and connected to ExpressVPN on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.